Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making a very beautiful painting for daisies. This is basically an hypothetical painting that I'm making with my favorite colors. This will look amazing on the walls if you make a set of 2 or 3. So let's go ahead and check out the supplies we would need for it. So I have taken a 300 GSM watercolor paper. This is a cold press paper from the brand Canson. With that, I'll be using a pencil and eraser. With that, we'll be needing a fat round brush. I have taken number 12 right now. And with that, a flat brush. This is a very local brush that I've taken. It's very soft and nice. And a discarded old brush for our masking fluid. And number 4 brush to make the fine detailing. So I'm using a masking fluid from the brand Winsor & Newton. I love using this for our negative painting. So let's go ahead and quickly sketch out the daisies. So now I'm making a puddle of few colors. I have taken cerulean blue, cobalt blue, and lemon yellow. So the first thing we'll do is apply the masking fluid all over our daisies. Apply a thick layer, and once this is dry, let's go ahead and apply a uniform layer of water. Now with the help of a fat brush, I'm applying the colors. Putting in lemon yellow now. We have to be really fast with this process because our paper will start to get dry. If that happens, apply one more layer of water and then continue. So now I'm applying cerulean blue. And now applying cobalt blue. I'm specifically focusing on the areas that are hidden. So cobalt blue will help to act as a shadow around the petals. So make sure you do it that way. So once our first layer is dry, reapply the water, apply a second coat. So I'm applying some more of lemon yellow. If you can see, when the yellow is merging in with blue, it's turning green. So this painting will have various shades of green, yellows, and blue at the end. So once this gets dry, let's go ahead and start to peel the latex. So I'm erasing it with a normal eraser and I'm pulling off the masking fluid or the latex out of my painting. So now my daisies are clean. Let's go ahead and start mixing the colors for the petals. So I've taken some cobalt blue, some cerulean blue, and made a very watery mixture, making another puddle of brown or burnt umber for the insides and some cadmium yellow for again the center part. So let's first do the center for each of the daisies, applying the cadmium yellow plus yellow ochre mixed in, and I'm picking up some burnt umber to make some dots inside. I'm also extending burnt umber towards the corners of each petal. These would act as shadows. Repeat these steps with the other daisies. And here all of the daisies are done. So now I'm mixing some magenta to my blue color, which is cobalt blue, to make a very thin color, very diluted color. And now we will first shade the petal which has flipped due to wind. So here we can see the back side of the petal. So that we are making the entire petal as purple color. And from now on, we will be putting in a water wash onto the entire petal one at a time and put in some purple color on the insides or on the outsides, one side only. And remove any excess color that you have put in, because we don't want this to be a purple flower. We want this to be a white flower with just some shadows on it. These shadows I've applied as purple. You can put in as gray or maybe cerulean blue or any other dark color. So you can see that I am wetting the entire petal with water, and on the insides I'm putting in some purple and I'm smudging the outsides. One more time, I'm wetting the petal, putting in some purple on the inside and clear water on the outside. So repeat the steps with the other flowers as well. And now with sap green, I'm making the stem. So watercolor dries light, so that's the reason I'm applying one more layer of our colors, which is burnt umber for the center, some yellow on top, and also applying one more wash to our petals. So I'm putting in some dry color, or on the dry paper I'm putting in the color to make the insides. And once this is applied with clean water, I will be smudging or soften these lines of insides. And the last thing to seal the deal is splashing some colors. I am putting in some cerulean blue over my flowers. Time to remove the tape. So our beautiful daisies are now ready. Don't you think it's beautiful? The colors especially are so vibrant. I am loving it. And did you notice the flower petal insides are dark blue? That is acting as shadows. So I hope you were able to get clear-cut instructions and would be able to follow this tutorial. If you do, please tag me on Instagram at Easy Paintings by Ishita so that even I can have a look at it. So thank you very much. Please take a screenshot so that you can follow this. And please consider subscribing, hitting the like button, leaving some comments for me. If you have any questions, please put it down and I'll be more than happy to answer it. So thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial, guys. I hope you all have a lovely day and wish you a very happy new year. Bye-bye.